Hello world, Nasu back at it again with a Minecraft video. Today, I am playing Minecraft, except someone tries to stop me, so basically Minecraft Manhunt. Now you might be thinking, but Nasu, you tried to beat the game just by yourself in the past and you failed. Well, the catch is this time, I have a teammate, and so we're gonna beat the game 2-player, which is twice as easy. And then there's gonna be someone trying to stop us. So let's see if we can beat the game. By the way, I'm joined with Pizza and good old Thraxton Soldier. But they're both on mute. So this is Pizza here, and this is Thraxton Soldier, as you can see by the name tags. Yes. So Pizza's trying to hunt us, and we're trying to speedrun, but it seems like it's the other way around, because I'm destroying him. Oh, we did it! Good job, Thrax. Okay, we're going. Let's go. So just a note, I can hear Thraxton Soldier and Pizza, but you guys can't hear them. So, just to point that out. I'm here. Okay, we had to restart due to technical difficulties, but we're still gonna win, alright. Alright, I guess we're starting now. Let's just grab a tree really quick. Alright, I'm pretty sure I can take Pizza in a 1v1. So I'll be close by. Alright, we're going. Pizza is recording his POV, so I'll just yeah. I'll put his channel link in the description if he's fine with it. Okay, Thraxton, you get resources because I'm on Pizza's back. I'm not letting him get anything. Right on his tail. All right, I just got bonus wood from that. Which way did you head, soldier? No, he's gonna find us. Pizza has messed up his recording already. What a fool. A temple. So you're in a desert biome. Oh. Oh, I see a shipwreck. Are you near that? We don't know where each other are. What the? Oh, it lagged. No biggie. I got some bits of food, but not a lot. I'm just gonna head this way. Okay. We got some progress, I guess. Well, the problem is we don't know where each other is. Oh, I found something useful. Okay, I think Pizza's going after Thraxton, so we should be good. I'm just now getting stone. I got stone so late, but I'm still the first one. Usually falling in lava right at the beginning is no big deal. This time's different. Alright. Let's see what this suspicious stew does. Oh, that's cool. I got night vision. I guess it's not really that helpful, but food is food. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You messed up now. You guys are so quiet. What? How are you already... Oh my quiche. This just feels like single player. Well, I mean, Pizza's just after Thrax. Honestly, we're probably gonna die to like blazes anyway in the nether. To be honest. That's why I think there should be more speedrunners than hunters. Alright, we all have stone picks. I just can't find anything. Can't find ores, I can't find coal. I have an idea. I have a big idea. Yeah? No! I am in deep trouble. Seriously? Oh. Oh. This is not good. I should have expected it. I can't believe I died just like that. I couldn't even get away. Meanwhile, Pizza is... You didn't pick up the food. Bloop. Oh, you can see it? Listen, I'll just spectate survival. Oh, this is a strategy. If I just keep going into survival mode, he has to waste his time putting me back in spectate. So Thrax is right here. And pizza is pretty far away still, actually. So, yeah. Oh no, no. Oh, it all fell so fast. Come on, get him. Oh, you guys can't even. Oh, okay. Well. Okay, since I'm just way too good at being the speedrunner, I have been switched to be the hunter. So let's see if I can destroy my opponents just as fast as pizza. So my goal is to beat 16 minutes, because that's how fast that's how fast pizza beat us. Alright. It's hunter time. I feel like you guys are just gonna run away as far as you can right at the start. Oh no, he's already got stone. Oh my. So does Thraxton. Oh no! What? I placed my crafting table in the spawn area, so I can't mine it. What the? Huh? I just fell through the floor. What just happened? I was about to track you, and then I just fell down. And I'm in a cave. I should be able to find my way out, maybe. Oh, come on! I'm in the spawn area. I can't get out. Okay, here, I'll just TP, or I'll say... No, I'll just fly out of the cave. Alright. I will find you. I will destroy you. Up! Oh no. I feel like I'm being hunted. All I have is wood to use to smelt. Oh, they already have iron! This is not looking good. But I didn't get any food. I fell in the cave at the start. This is not looking good. Maybe there's some coal on the side of this mountain. There is. No! What am I supposed to do? They're sharing messages secretly. That's fine. That's fine. Alright. One hit! One hit is all it took. Oh, he was making a nether portal. Interesting. Oh, yes. So much stuff. This, yes! This is useful. It's oh so useful. Yeah. I don't know if I should keep mining. That's the only armor piece I could make for the time being. Oh, now he's over here. I'm headed down. No! I was being all secret and everything. Yeah! Victory! That was so easy. Oh, I see. So I think Pizza's strategy was to block off his portal with stone. That's why he had a water bucket over it. He's probably going to cover it with lava. But, I mean, I think that just took way too long, and that's why I was able to get to him. Since the hunter won again, and Pizza and I were both hunters. This time, Thrax will be a hunter. So let's see how this one goes. So just to restate it, Thrax will be the hunter, and Pizza and I will be the speedrunners. Pizza, when we start, just follow me. Okay, go, go, go. No, we're not at the village. Why would we be at a village? Ooh, 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 ooh. I see. I got. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I got 3 leather tunics from this chest. Why can't I break crafting tables? It's not even anywhere near the spawn. I can't exit this door. I'm stuck in this house. I can't break anything. I'm stuck in a house. Okay, I can get out now. He only got me down 2 hearts, so it was no big deal. All right, Pizza. Should we head out now? Oh, all right. Yes, thank you for the sword. Throwing it in this pit. No, you just said, do you know how to do that out of the blue? No. Did you see my video? Yeah, I'm not good at those. Debatable. Can you mine this with stone? I might have destroyed it, so I might have. He's here! Uh-oh. Cue the music. Keep running, keep running. Yes! Yeah, I got you. Okay, here, take that. Ooh, take this. He dropped it. Yeah, that was close. Half a heart? Wow. Alright. We might want to get a little more geared up before we go to the nether, because right now, I'm literally just wearing half leather. Is he back? Oh my. I think the strategy is just stick together as close as you can. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna run. I don't know. My last video took like 3 days to edit. I just wasn't in the mood, I guess. I was like, I have this video to edit, but I don't really want that, so I'm just gonna not. Okay. He's got lava. Well, you can't use lava in the water. He's just standing there menacingly.
Samurai sword.
Oh, wow! What the? That's like.
You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Yeah! What do you mean a truce? I mean, this is not really that good anyway. I guess I could try. These zombies have just got a layoff. Uh-oh. Interesting strategy. Oh, is he gonna try and sabotage it? Where'd he go? The compass has... This game, I guess. Oh, no. Well, my team... Well, I hope you, enjoyed this wonderful video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And turn on that bell notification. If I win this duel, then I will... You guys have to like this video. Oh, look at that. Alright, see you in the next one, I guess. Is there anything you guys want to say to the world? If you want to type it in chat. Okay. There we go. Bye.